Too.
Yeah.
The hokey pokey.
I'm not collectible on that.
How much was it?
$15.
$15? Are you kidding me? Dude, some 4-year-old wanted it for Christmas because it was a cool thing, undoubtedly. It probably cost him $100, so they're trying to salvage as much from it.
Oh my god.
And then he decided it wasn't cool.
I remember when they came out, everyone wanted them.
I could view for you.
Oh yeah.
Elmo knows what it's all about. The hokey pokey. I'ma put your hand in it. I'ma put your hand out. I'ma put your hand in it. And it's just it all about. Can you hear Elmo?
Yeah, he's actually.
Alright, what? Oh, dude, get some pictures, He's melting! Holy shit.
That was pretty much perfect. I'm gonna let him melt or before the beer on.
Well, he's getting some pictures. Oh god, that's hilarious.
Yeah, okay.
He's
Still moving. Is he still moving? Yeah.
That could not have been any better.
That's something else. It just blew his head right the fuck off. Just as planned. Elmo!
No, that's.
He stopped again.
Go, Elmo! That's what it's all about, bitch.
Do the hokey pokey and shake it on the back with Elmo. I'ma put your arms in it. I'ma put your arms out. I'ma put your arms in it. And it's just it all about. I'ma dance the hokey pokey. Gotta shake it just again. That's what it's all about. I'ma put your legs in it. I'ma put your legs out. I'ma put your legs in it. And it's just it all about. I'ma dance the hokey pokey. Gotta shake it.